here is the thing. I thought right now of 1, 2, 3, 4 steps of the systems that you should want to put in place, or even the milestones through which you should want to go to run your membership program at the end of the day completely passively. Not just run, but grow it completely passively. But you cannot start putting systems in place just like today. You gotta go step by step. You need to begin with the first system first. And the first system that you should put in place is being able to automatically accept members paying you, let's say, $97 per month. You should have a $97 per month offer. You should have created a video course. You should put up the Skool membership app platform that hosts your program, and you should have some welcome onboarding tasks in place through which your members can go on their own after they signed to work with you. So that is the first system that you should have in place for yourself. Can you accept a new member today, right now, automatically? So after they pay $97 per month for your program, they can get a welcome post, get a welcome email, they can begin with the onboarding tasks, they can start watching your video course, and they have access now to a weekly group call. The goal of this system is that you can accept a new person paying you right now, and it also builds your recurring income now if someone starts paying you. After you have this system in place, you will need to first of all focus on signing the first few members, right? You would want to get 5, 6, 7 people signed up, more like a little manually, by just making a list of people who are a little warmer in your network. You can reach out to them, you can invite them for calls, and from those calls enrolling them into your program. All this with a goal that you sign 5, 6, 7, 10 people so you can start serving them, working with the first few, and creating transformational case studies. Understand this. Yes, this second mini system is more like a manual labor, right? But it's a repeatable set of a few things that you're gonna need to do, right? Make a list, reaching out to people, going on calls, and then serving these people on group calls or so they become your case studies, right? Understand that this is the magic milestone. Now, if you put the first system of automatically accepting members in place, you have the Skool, you charge people $97, you sign now as the second mini system, you sign the first few people paying you. Now, here is where it becomes much more fun. Your next goal after you signed 5 to 10 people is gonna be to go to 50 or 100 members. And for you to get there, you're gonna need to put a few more ideas or mini systems in place so you can be enrolling more people into your program. And I teach, as part of the automatically attract new members system, right? I teach how you can get your existing members send you more referrals. I also teach you how to manage your leads on a daily basis so you can get more members out of already your warm leads, right? I teach you how to follow a weekly content plan of creating emails and content pieces through which you generate more leads or attract more people come to you. As part of this system, we focus a lot on email list building as well, right? And I would suggest you to come up with a lead magnet through which you can build the email list. And I specifically suggest someone, hey, start running a weekly webinar class for free, which builds your email list a lot, and from which you can enroll a group of members into your membership program, or you can follow up with those people who came then manually and sign more into your program. Running this system on a weekly and a daily basis can get you to 50 members signed up. Then we move into the fourth system that you could or you should put in place, and that one is called passive automated systems. Those systems don't require your manual labor anymore for them to be run. For example, you could create a YouTube channel that's gonna be sending you unlimited traffic on your own, right? As part of the previous system, you would be creating YouTube videos, but YouTube would then keep sending you unlimited traffic coming to your email list and so on. This traffic would come to your email list where you could have automations now in place. When someone opts opted in, a few emails can be sent out automatically and get people to sign into your membership program. You could build a team of people who helps you run your daily operations, right? You could have a personal assistant who helps you with leads management, replying to people and follow-ups and managing the daily tasks. You could have a content editor or community manager. You could have all sorts of kind of people helping you, or at least 1 or 2 people on your team, right, helping you. And you could start running paid ads and do some kind of other joint venture collaborations and all of these kind of things, or running a podcast. Those things can boost your growth even more. I just wanted to share this idea with you in this video so you understand how it's possible to start putting really nice systems in place through which you are growing your membership program. I want to invite you now to come into my free Skool community, where I'm gonna teach you how to put the first system in place first for yourself, how to create your membership offer, how to set it up on the Skool platform so you can start accepting members paying you, and I'm gonna also teach you how to sign your first 5 members paying you, right? And then after, you're gonna be able to start putting the other systems on top as well. Find the link down below, come to my free Skool community and get my free course so you can start being paid from your membership subscriptions.